Technically, we got it.
Friends, Captain Ralph has just installed the new toilet base to the bowl that was shipped down to Fort Pierce, and we found a little chip in the bowl too, but
we use to flush it now.
but yeah, we have to use the bunghole to flush it, and we're wondering about the derivation of that. But it doesn't leak. We filled it up with water, and it doesn't leak. Now, it hasn't been under pressure, whatever that means.
With the pump.
Yeah, the pump.
Flush.
Pump.
Yeah.
But we're going to install it, and we have high hopes.
High hopes.
High hopes.
We have high hopes. We have high hopes. We have high apple pie in the sky.
Oh man, this is a boat like no other.
Doesn't leak. Oh, doesn't leak.
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't want that swamp down there anymore.
Ew, no swamp.
That was a swamp.
We had lunch with a Maine Cat 30 Maine Cat family fellow, Peter, and his son Jeremy, and everybody had boat drinks but Captain Ralph, and he's a hero for that. He's going to install his head, and we're going to be back in business.
I think that's
More to follow.
Back in
Oh
business.
man, I tell you
Back
what.
in doing the business.
Oh yeah. Here. Okay, that's
more later.
yeah, more later.